I installed a new belt and this happened to it. This was brand new. Now the chop there, that's where I cut it off, but the fraying that you're seeing there, that is likely due to an old tensioner. So the tensioner, the belt goes on the tensioner like this and it rolls, and you can see the old tensioner has this little ridge. See right on the top there? Not supposed to be like that. Here is a new one. This is an AC Delco. Oh, no, zoomed in. Okay, you can see that this one on here, this one is smooth completely, and this one kind of worn down. You can see lots of striations on that, and you can see where the belt has maybe rubbed into it, or maybe the OEM is slightly different like that. But in any case, it looks like that may have damaged the belt. Now it's possible that this could have been just a bad belt, but also you should replace these every time you're doing a Skyactiv engine. I mean any engine really, but it is kind of a thing on these Skyactivs. See, the leak usually happens here. And you can see the leak on this, just sort of that grime that's going around here, leaking down. And now if I turn it over, it's actually much worse. Now you can really see how dirty that leak came in through. So yeah, and this is the same part, AC Delco. This part here is made in Slovakia. This is the same part. So, you know, do that every 100, something like 100,000 miles, 150-ish kilometers. So yeah, replace your Skyactiv tensioner.